Is one of my favorites. And actually, Jack introduced me to this, and Paul Vandercroft introduced Jack to it. His name is Propagator. And I don't know if I put up a picture of the owner of it. Jack's given me a photograph, but I'll put it up on the website as soon as I get it scanned. I have a photograph of this.
No, that's what I mean.
This
If you
is
wanted
Pinus
his face, you got
sylvestris.
it. Okay.
How many needles?
You're winning.
Well, let's look.
2. Now, what do you notice about the needles other than their gold?
They're sick.
No.
They're scraggly.
No.
They're yellow?
No, other than the
They're
yellow.
yellow.
No,
They're green towards the middle.
no, you're all looking too hard.
Why are they all scraggly?
God, you guys are not very observant. You would not make great
What
taxonomists.
question did you ask?
What's unique about the needles?
They're yellow.
Other than the yellow, other than the thick. They're what, sorry, Hillary? They're twisted, thank you. They are twisted. That one little characteristic tells you almost flawlessly that this is a Pinus sylvestris cultivar. Because Pinus sylvestris, the needles are twisted. If you were really clever, you could actually take those needles and twist them back, and they would form a cylinder. So when they emerge from the bud, they are slightly twisted, and as they unfold, then they are still permanently bent for the rest of their life. And if you twist them back, you can almost form a perfect cylinder out of them. I'm not taking off my gloves. No. Now, the plant itself. The plant itself is relatively unknown. Do we even have a number on it? We do, don't we? 842, yeah. Not very common in the trade. I don't know why. Yeah, it's very. And if you notice it over the summer, you would have noticed that, or even in September, which I'm sure you all did. That's why we planted it right outside your classroom. That it is a dull green. And then in the winter, it does the reverse of what most variegated or colored conifers do. Most of the conifers turn a dark green, or if it's a juniper, it turns a purplish tinge. Not a very exciting color. Microbiota is probably one of the best conifers for that. It turns a rust brown color, but they're not very vibrant colors. This plant turns this vibrant color, and it will stay like this for the winter. And then as the weather warms up, it will start to lose that color again. Chlorophyll increases, photosynthesis increases, and the plant grows. The plant is very, very vigorous for a golden plant. Why? I just told you. And what's it doing in the summer that's not doing that?
It's growing, it's
Photosynthesizing, yeah. So technically, if this plant was yellow, it would be slower growing in the summer. If it was yellow in the summer, because it wouldn't be able to photosynthesize as much. Here, the opposite occurs. So you can see this is quite a mature plant. When it was planted relatively the same time as a lot of the other dwarf conifers. The picture I have with Mr. Wolting of it is he's about
Don't get me sick.
it's maybe 5 meters tall. So we don't know how big this one is going to get, but I would suspect it's going to be upwards of 15 meters at maturity. So really quite massive, but really nice plant. Not very common, not very well known.
Roger that.